past infrastructure failure cases. These models, by recognizing patterns and learning from past data, were able to predict the most probable cause of the collapse. In forensic engineering, the identification of the cause is just half the battle. The real challenge lies in devising effective remedial measures. AI played a crucial role here too. By simulating different remedial scenarios, AI helped engineers formulate the most effective recovery plan. It predicted the outcome of each scenario, enabling the engineers to choose the most efficient and safest solution. The role of AI in this case was not limited to just solving the immediate problem. It also contributed to the long-term safety of similar structures. The data collected and analyzed by AI will be invaluable in preventing similar failures in the future, making our infrastructure safer and more resilient. This case study is a testament to the transformative power of AI in forensic engineering. It not only revolutionized the way we approach infrastructure failures, but also paved the way for a future where such collapses could become a thing of the past. As we've seen, AI holds significant potential for the field of forensic engineering. It is not merely a concept that exists in the realm of theory, rather, it's a practical tool that's already revolutionizing the way forensic engineers approach their work. Imagine a world where safety is not just enhanced but guaranteed, where efficiency is not just improved but maximized. That's what AI brings to forensic engineering. It's not just about making processes faster or more convenient, it's about transforming the very nature of how we ensure safety and reliability in our built environment. AI enables us to analyze data with unprecedented speed and accuracy, highlighting potential issues before they become catastrophic problems. It's an extra pair of eyes, a tireless worker, a relentless guardian of safety, and a champion of efficiency. The future of forensic engineering is here, and it is intertwined with the transformative power of AI.